Just before the leaf emerges on this rather elderly deciduous azalea, we can see at a glance what damage is being done to this plant by ivy. So mature as the ivy got that it's actually putting up seeds and flowers, and it's started to go branched. It's very obvious at this time of the year. Once the leaf comes, it's far more difficult to see it. Usually the ivy is only one big stem, and it's perfectly simple to cut it off and deal with the problem. But when we look more closely, actually this is a huge ivy root, bigger than the actual azalea that it's on itself. So it'll... We've actually managed to pull it up at the root, which has done the job for us. That's almost too thick for my secateurs to cut. But effectively we've stopped this plant being forced down to the ground by the weight of the ivy on it. We've stopped something that's unsightly, smothering the plant, and which would eventually kill it. And this is one of those little garden jobs that doesn't take very long, but it greatly improves your plants without that much effort.